Hi, this is our part of our cleaning process for the virus. This right here is our checklist, one of our 3 checklists that we use for hallways, drinking fountains, desktops, and tables. This one here is separate. This is for restrooms and locker rooms, cleaning and disinfecting. So we have 3 different papers of how our cleaning is going to be checked off so we know that everything is getting completed properly. This right here is our disinfectant. And this right here is our sprayer that we spray down our walls with, our drinking fountains, our trash containers, anything that we need to disinfect. All of our spray bottles are marked with proper labeling so everyone knows what they're using. Safety glasses. We have gloves of a few different sizes to wear. This one here is an extra large. This is a large. We have labels, the proper labels for all of our bottles for the 128. So I think we're in pretty good shape. Microfiber towels, rags, handrails, lockers, hand dryers, faucets, toilets and fixtures. Everything will be thoroughly cleaned. The sprayer can be used all sides. We'll let this sit on here for 10 minutes. Come back and wipe it down. Our current cleaning supplies that came in for the high school. That's our CQ 128. That's our disinfectant. We have a dilution station that we use, and it disperses the correct amount of solution. So that's how our bottles are filled. This works very well. We have put disinfectant bottles in here with the 128 in here, so they have it to use. And then we go around and we spray down the equipment and clean it. So there's like 3 areas to this clinic. Our purpose in this clinic is to take everything out. We have a cart that we're going to spray down the walls with, move everything out, wipe everything off. That's wonderful. We couldn't ask for a better nurse. They love her. She's a good nurse. She really takes these kids to heart. So we'll be cleaning the stage area. We'll be sweeping underneath the seats, blowing everything out. We'll be vacuuming the carpet. We'll be steaming the carpets. We'll be wiping off the chairs, all the armrests, top and bottom. Every year we always have the holiday tourney. So you know our place is looking good for that. There's handrails in here that we'll have to clean. The push bars, the doors, the door jambs. Everything's got to be touched.
Our outstanding custodial staff is working very hard to keep our school clean and our students safe.
We're doing the best we can to clean everything, get these kids back in here. It's too quiet without them. Hopefully see you back soon.